inventions where the primary or intended use or commercial exploitation of that invention could be contrary to public order. So if any invention which is against that public order, contrary to public order, it cannot be patented. Now, for example, if someone have that device or apparatus or machine or method for committing a theft or burglary, if that kind of device is invented, of course it will not be considered for the grant of a patent and it will be outright rejected. And if some claim the machine or method for counterfeiting of a currency notes, again outright rejection of that kind of invention. If someone claim an invention as an invention will help the user to cause injury, so I repeat, if someone invent an invention which will help the user of that invention to cause an injury in specific manner to human being or plant or animal, not only human being, plants or animal, all such inventions will not be patentable.